Hello, welcome to WaterFilteroo YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about noise from refrigerator compressor. Noise from a refrigerator compressor can be a common issue and may vary in intensity and frequency. Some noise is normal as the compressor works to cool the refrigerator, but excessive or unusual noises can indicate a problem that needs attention. Here are some common refrigerator compressor noises and their potential causes. Normal operating sounds. Refrigerators make various normal sounds during their operation, including a humming or buzzing noise when the compressor is running. This is often more noticeable in older refrigerators. These sounds are typically not a cause for concern. Clicking sounds. A clicking noise may be heard when the compressor turns on or off. This is usually normal and occurs as the thermostat cycles the compressor. Rattling or vibrating. If you hear rattling or vibrating sounds, check to make sure the refrigerator is level and properly positioned. Vibrations can be amplified if the appliance is not on a stable surface. Gurgling or bubbling. Sometimes, gurgling or bubbling sounds may be heard as refrigerant flows through the system. This is typically normal and not a cause for concern. Knocking or hammering. A knocking or hammering noise could indicate issues with the compressor motor or the compressor itself. It may be due to loose components or wear and tear. High-pitched whining or whistling. These noises could be related to issues with the fan motor or the evaporator fan. A faulty fan motor might produce a high-pitched noise as it struggles to turn. Loud rumbling or grinding. These sounds are more concerning and could indicate a serious problem with the compressor motor or the compressor itself. It may be a sign of impending failure. If you're experiencing unusual or loud noises coming from your refrigerator's compressor, here are some steps you can take. Clean and vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate on and around the compressor, leading to vibrations and noise. Cleaning the area around the compressor and vacuuming the condenser coils can help. Check for leveling. Make sure the refrigerator is level and stable. Adjust its leveling feet if necessary. Inspect for loose parts. Check for any loose components like screws, bolts, or pipes around the compressor and tighten them if needed. Consult the manual. Refer to your refrigerator's user manual for troubleshooting tips and recommendations specific to your model. Professional inspection. If the noise persists or seems to be worsening, it's advisable to contact a professional appliance repair technician. They can diagnose the issue and determine if any repairs are necessary. Remember that compressor noise can vary between refrigerator models and brands, so it's essential to consider the specific characteristics of your appliance. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and leveling, can often help reduce or eliminate unwanted noises. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.